Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for mastering finance and business management. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, build your business, or sharpen your skills, we've got you covered with practical tips, expert insights, and actionable strategies. Let's embark on the journey to success together. The future of business financial tips for students in 2025. Are you ready? Introduction. Why financial knowledge matters for students. Building a strong financial foundation. Explanation. In 2025, the business landscape is evolving faster than ever, and students must equip themselves with financial skills to stay ahead. Whether you're starting your own business or managing personal finances, these tips will set you on the path to success. The importance of financial literacy helps you make informed decisions about money. Prepares you for a future where financial independence is key. How this video will help. We'll cover practical tips, real-life examples, and strategies to navigate the financial world in 2025. Example: imagine starting your career or business with zero debt and a strong savings plan. That's the power of early financial literacy. Tip number 1, start budgeting early. The foundation of financial success. Explanation: budgeting is the cornerstone of good financial management. It helps you track your income, control expenses, and set aside money for future goals. How to start? Use tools like budgeting apps, for example, Mint, Y&B. Divide your income using the 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Why it's important: prevents overspending and unnecessary debt. Helps build a habit of saving and investing. Example: Emma, a student earning $800 a month, used the 50/30/20 rule. By sticking to her budget, she saved $2,000 in a year for her dream business idea. Tip number 2, leverage student discounts and perks. Save more, spend less. Explanation: as a student, you have access to discounts and perks that can save you thousands annually. Learning to maximize these opportunities is a smart financial move. Where to look? Apps like Unidays and Student Beans for discounts on tech, software, and fashion. Bank accounts with low fees designed for students. How it helps: reduces essential expenses like software subscriptions or transportation. Frees up money to invest or save. Example: by using student discounts for her Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, Lisa saved $140 annually, which she redirected into her emergency fund. Tip number 3, start investing early. Let your money work for you. Explanation: investing as a student may sound daunting, but starting early is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. Compound interest ensures that even small investments grow significantly over time. How to begin? Use micro-investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Start with low-cost ETFs or index funds for diversification. Why it's crucial: the earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Builds financial discipline and confidence in managing money. Example: Michael invested $50 monthly in an S&P 500 ETF starting at age 18. By the time he turned 25, his portfolio had grown to $5,000, thanks to compounding. Tip number 4, avoid unnecessary debt. Manage borrowing wisely. Explanation: debt can derail your financial future if not managed carefully. Students should prioritize avoiding high-interest loans and only borrow for necessary expenses. Smart borrowing tips: use student loans only for education-related costs. Avoid credit card debt by paying balances in full each month. Why it's important: reduces financial stress post-graduation. Frees up income for savings and investments. Example: Sarah used her student loan wisely for tuition, but avoided using credit cards for unnecessary expenses, leaving college debt-free. Tip number 5, build an emergency fund. Be ready for the unexpected. Explanation: an emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, covering unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Students should aim to save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. How to start? Save a small portion of your income weekly or monthly. Use high-yield savings accounts to earn interest on your emergency fund. Why it's vital: prevents reliance on credit cards or loans during emergencies. Provides peace of mind in uncertain situations. Example, Jake saved $1,500 over 2 years as an emergency fund, which helped him cover car repairs without going into debt. Tip number 6. Start a side hustle. Earn extra income while you study. Explanation: a side hustle allows students to explore their interests while earning money. From freelancing to selling products online, there are countless ways to generate extra income. Ideas for side hustles: freelance content creation or graphic design. Selling handmade crafts or digital products on Etsy. Starting a YouTube channel or blog. Why it's beneficial. Builds entrepreneurial skills while earning money. Can grow into a full-time business post-graduation. Example, Emma turned her love for photography into a $500 a month side hustle by offering portrait sessions to fellow students. Tip number 7. Learn the basics of taxes. Don't let taxes surprise you. Explanation: understanding taxes is crucial for students earning an income. Knowing what deductions you qualify for and how to file taxes can save you money and stress. What to focus on. Learn about student tax credits and deductions, for example, tuition, textbooks. Use apps or software like TurboTax for easy filing. Why it's important. Helps you avoid penalties and maximize refunds. Prepares you for managing finances as an adult. Example, by learning about tax deductions, Sam saved $500 on his tax return, which he used to invest in his portfolio. Tip number 8. Understand the power of networking. Your network is your net worth. Explanation: networking isn't just about landing a job, it's about building relationships that can offer mentorship, partnerships, and financial opportunities. How to start networking. Attend campus events and industry meetups. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn. How it benefits you. Opens doors to internships, jobs, or business collaborations. Provides valuable advice and guidance from experienced individuals. Example, through LinkedIn networking, Jane landed a paid internship at a marketing firm, giving her both income and industry experience. Tip number 9. Focus on building credit. Start early, build strong. Explanation: building a good credit score as a student is crucial for future financial opportunities, such as renting apartments, buying a car, or securing a business loan. How to build credit. Use a student credit card responsibly. Always pay your balance in full and on time. Why it matters. A strong credit score saves you money on interest rates. Shows financial responsibility to lenders and landlords. Example, by consistently paying her credit card bills on time, Maria achieved a 750 credit score by graduation, making it easier to secure a car loan at a low interest rate. Tip number 10. Develop a long-term financial plan. Think beyond graduation. Explanation: creating a financial plan helps students set clear goals for savings, investments, and expenses. A strong plan ensures you stay on track even after leaving college. What to include in your plan: short-term goals, building an emergency fund, or paying off student loans. Long-term goals, saving for a home or starting a business. How to stay committed. Review your plan regularly and adjust as needed. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Example, Alex's financial plan helped him save $10,000 by age 25, which he used as a down payment for his first home. Final thoughts: taking control of your financial future. Your journey starts now. Explanation: the financial tips covered in this video are just the beginning. By starting early and staying consistent, students can set themselves up for long-term success in both their personal and professional lives. Recap key tips: budget wisely, avoid unnecessary debt, and start investing early. Leverage student perks, build credit, and plan for the future. Encouragement for students: remember, financial independence is a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts grow over time. Call to action: which of these tips will you start using today? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching Sapric Your Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights on finance and business management.